At 5, doctors with Prisma Health in Greenville say they're seeing a rise in a virus that can infect your child's respiratory system.
Doctors say each year the number of cases go up and they usually see a peak in October. Our own Jennifer Phillips here in studio with us. So Jen, sometimes this may be hard to detect because it's so similar to the common cold.
Right, very similar. Doctors with Prisma Health say there are several cases throughout the upstate, and they've even admitted many of those children to the hospital. Many of us see it or have it. The sneezing and coughing.
We're constantly wiping down, the stroller or any grocery carts.
But if Katie Peaver gets a cold, she can handle it. But it's her 16-month-old daughter, Abigail, and Abigail's 2-year-old cousin, Adeline, who she really worries about.
I feel like with my daughter's personality, really tough sometimes to tell.
But more than a cold is swinging its way through the upstate. Doctors say there are several cases of RSV, a virus that spreads and infects the lungs and the respiratory system.
We actually do try to get outside and have that fresh air.
Dr. Robin LeRoy is the medical director of the Children's Hospital with Prisma Health.
RSV is respiratory syncytial virus. Probably by the age of 2 to 3, most children have had their first episode of RSV infection.
But more than a cold is swinging its way through the upstate. Doctors say there are several cases of RSV, a virus that spreads and infects the lungs and the respiratory system.
Lots and lots of clear drainage, fever, cough.
There's not an antibiotic for babies, but one form of protection: wash your hands.
I think this is the first winter we've had a little bit of a cold.
And that's why Katie Peaver is paying close attention.
Just navigating that as a first-time mom.
So we reached out to DHEC to talk about all of this, and they tell us that because it is similar to a cold, that a lot of this isn't reportable. And so because of that, when they do get a call about this virus, then they ask about it, and they say that they educate people to make sure that it doesn't spread. Cody and Victoria.